Said that you have to post your attendance in the meet. So good morning to all. On behalf of Project Contest Innovations LLP, we like to welcome all the partners and students, faculty members from various institutions for this program, Atom Sympo 2.0. So this program is jointly organized with EDII funded Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation of Tiruchirappalli, along with the various industry partners, Webroid Business Solutions, Bversity, Skills64, and Dream 360. So, first of all, before going to my sharing, I like to welcome today's guest of honors, Mr. Swig Bala, CEO of Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation. We welcome you, sir. Next, I'd like to welcome our friend and the founder of Webroid Business Solution, Mr. Bala Bhaskar. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So to tell more about the initiative of PCI, the IDEA event, this is the 13th program which we are organizing in the third year. We have organized 12 programs before in various brands in collaboration with various incubation centers and industries across south of India. And this program, first time we have partnered with Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation of Trichirappalli. And this program, we got around 40 plus nominations from 100 plus students have given the ideas for this program. And today we are going to witness the various presentations by the students in this program. And in this program, we are also having two other events. One is the workshop on game development, and it was started yesterday. It was taken by Mr. Vetrimani, and it's going on well. And another one event is the quiz on space science, which is planned to organize in today's evening. So the outcome of this kind of a program is that one of the highlight I want to say that recently, 3 months back, we have a TNSI finale, which was held at Chennai. And we found that various ideas which presented during the various idea events organized by PCI were the finalists for this program. So that kind of start, this kind of a program will given to you. So this is the basic idea behind this idea event. And now we have also given the format for the idea presentation, which is the first level for preparing your pitch deck for your startup idea in the future. So this is from my side. And next I'd like to invite the guest of honor, Mr. Swig Bala, CEO of Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation, to share his experience and various supports he can render through the Anna Business Incubator. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for your introduction, and good morning to all, and good morning to the another guest, Mr. Bala Bhaskar, and the Atom Sympo 2.0 from Project Contest Innovations is one of the platform for all the aspirant and innovators and the students having a startup idea to become an entrepreneur and so on. So with this platform, you can end up into a end of the runway for taking off further, taking off your product, your idea into a product or idea into money. Basically, Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation can give you various wings to take off. The wings with different power. So we are partnered with the Project Contest Innovation Solutions because just to pick up the idea which can be feasible, which can be scalable, which can produce money and so on. So those ideas will be picked up today from your presentations. Those ideas will be supported from EDII Anna Business Incubation Research Foundation, Trichy. So this is one of the purpose behind this. So good luck and all the best for all the contestants, and then we'll see at the end of the presentations, and then we'll move on. Thank you once again, and good luck.
Sir, I want you to share about the IVP voucher support by Anna Business Incubator, sir, from your side.
Yeah. For example, innovation voucher program is funded by EDI, Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Institute from Government of Tamil Nadu. Voucher program means உங்களோட ஐடியாவை உண்மையிலே அது நல்ல ஐடியா அப்படின்னு யாராவது ஒருத்தவங்க வவுச் பண்றாங்க, அது கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு வவுச் பண்ணுதுன்னா அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ஐடென்டிட்டி கிடைக்குது இல்லையா. அதான் அந்த வவுச்சர் ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 2 lakhs கிராண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க. கிராண்ட்னா அதை வந்து நீங்க திருப்பி கொடுக்க வேண்டியதில்லை. அந்த 2 lakhs யூஸ் பண்ணி உங்களோட ஐடியாவை அடுத்த ஸ்டேஜுக்கு கொண்டு போகலாம், ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி வைக்கலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ரூவ் பண்ண பின்னாடி திருப்பி அதே இனோவேஷன் வவுச்சர் ப்ரோக்ராம் பி வந்து 5 lakhs தராங்க. அந்த 5 lakhs வச்சு அந்த ப்ரூவ் பண்ணதை ப்ராடக்டா மாற்ற முடியும். இது வந்து பி. அது மாதிரி ஏ பி இனோவேஷன் வவுச்சர் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஏ அண்ட் பி இந்த 2 ப்ரோக்ராமையும் வந்து நீங்க வாங்குறதுக்காக ஒரு நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னர் வேணும். அந்த நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னரா EDII-ABIRF, அதாவது நாங்க ABI அண்ணா பிசினஸ் இன்குபேஷன் ரிசர்ச் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஒரு நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னரா உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னர் கம்பல்சரியா உங்களோட அப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருக்கணும். அந்த நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னரா நாங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ணி உங்களோட ஐடியாவை ஃபண்ட் வாங்குற அளவுக்கு நாங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும். இது வந்து அடுத்த ஸ்டேஜ். உங்களுக்கு உங்க ஐடியாவை பிக்கப் பண்ண பின்னாடி எந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருந்தாலும் பெரும்பாலும் அவங்க ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. இந்த ஐடியாவோட டிஃபிஷியன்ட் என்ன, ஏதாவது சின்ன குறைபாடு இருக்கு, அந்த குறைபாடை மட்டும் அவங்க வந்து அதை பண்ணிட்டு திருப்பி வர சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அதனால ஒரு டைம் லைனே கிடையாது, எப்போ வேணாலும் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், எல்லா மாசமும் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். அந்த இதை அப்ளை பண்றதுக்காக நீங்க எங்ககிட்ட வந்தீங்கன்னா நாங்க நாலேஜ் பார்ட்னர் ஆக்ட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு அந்த அப்ளிகேஷனை சப்மிட் பண்ணிட முடியும். அந்த மாசமே உங்களுக்கு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்னைக்கு 18ஆம் தேதி உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறீங்க, சப்மிட் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா ஜூன் எண்டுக்குள்ள உங்களை வந்து பிரசன்டேஷன் கூப்பிட்டுருவாங்க. செலக்ட் ஆயிட்டீங்கன்னா ஒரு 3 weeks ஜூலை 3rd வீக்ல உங்களுக்கு பணம் வந்துடும். சப்போஸ் செலக்ட் ஆகலைன்னா ஜூலைல வந்து என்ன டிஃபிஷியன்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஜூலைல நீங்க திருப்பி அப்ளை பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ஹெல்ப், இந்த என்டையர் ஹெல்ப், காம்ப்ரிஹென்சிவ் ஹெல்ப் நாங்க வந்து எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு சில பேர் இன்னைக்கு சூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ப்ராஜெக்ட் கண்டெஸ்ட் இனோவேஷன்ஸ்ல இருந்து. அதுக்கு நல்லபடியா நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. உங்க ஐடியா வந்து அந்த அளவு ஸ்கேலபிளா யூனிக்கா இருந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பா நல்லா பண்ண முடியும். நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your explanation, sir. So, dear participants, for other state, similarly, there are various seed grants organized by various incubators and government organized schemes are available, which we have regularly in the PCI website, projectcontest.com. You can refer it. And the students from TamilNadu, you can utilize this IVP voucher program, Innovation Voucher Program, which is granted by EDII-TN, which will be supported by Anna Business Incubator of Trichirappalli. And you can also reach us so that if it is a good idea, we will forward based on the proposal which you give to Mr. Swig Bala sir and his team. And there's an excellent team there. They will guide you and nurture you so that you can also transform your idea into a startup in the future. Thank you, sir. And I hope your vision for the innovation and incubation area will be blooming in the coming days, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Balabhaskar, the founder of Webroid Business Solution and the co-ideator of Innovators Army of PCI. Welcome you, sir, for your inaugural address.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, am I audible, sir?
You're audible, sir.
Yeah, fine, sir. So, good morning to all present here. First and foremost, I like to thank the CEO of EDII-ABIRF, Swig Bala sir, for his speech on the various voucher programs that is conducted by EDII to convert the idea into a product. Next, I like to extend my great pleasure and excitement to PCI team for adding us as a knowledge partner for this Atom Sympo International Virtual Scientific Symposium event. So this is a remarkable event because it brings the young minds across the globe for putting their knowledge, innovations on what are the things that they can do in converting their idea into a product. So because most of the students have been having their idea, but they don't know the correct platform to do what, how to convert their idea into a product. The PCI team has brought up a great platform where starting from an idea, then converting into a product, and how to do the business model. They are having the various kinds of activities throughout the year. So as the CEO of PCI, Mr. Rajasekar said, most of the ideas what that has been presented in EDI final event, which we seen in the PCI's idea competition. So students were regularly updating their ideas They are converting into some product, and finally they come up with that solution to the society. So it is a great moment to see that. And also, so myself, Bala, I am the founder of Webroid Business Solution. We have been located in a district near Pondicherry, Kadalu. So we have been providing support in the field of web development and also digital marketing services. So we have we I won't say that we are the only one, but what we are doing right now is we are just taking the problems, right? So there are many vendors there, but what we are unique from that is the thing which we take them. So there are many vendors are there. What the problems we have got from the existing client. So we have just mapped everything into a single chart. We have got the inputs from the clients. We have just checked it out. What are the problems? We focus on the problem and we give a solution better than that. So that makes our business unique. So that is the thing that is required. So you are coming up with an idea. So that idea must be unique. So it must address some issues which is happening to the society or somewhere. No problem with that. But it should address something. So if it is addressing someone who are ready to get your product or something, then you will be a successful entrepreneur. So this is one of the great thing that you can do that. So this Atom Sympo 2.0, which serves as a bridge which connect with the various communities, but like industries, incubation centers, institution like that. So the PC is being in the center, which is integrating everything into a single platform, and they are trying to convert your idea into one product. So you young minds, what you have to do is you have to put your idea in a clear way. You have to do a lot more work on that. So because this symposium is not just coming over here, just putting something which is already available, or which is not being worked like that. So you have to do some work on that. You have to get some input on that. It is not, it must be a high enough, it should be like in a top scale. It is not like that, because it is an idea presentation. So if you have some idea, you put, okay sir, this can be done. So here there may be of students or many jury members or institution members from various kinds of peoples will be in this panel. So what they will do is they will give some suggestion on that. So it will be helpful for you to convert your idea to the next stage. Okay, these are the things. So one, we got input from the industrialists, or some inputs from the students community, or some inputs from the industry community. So it will be helpful for you to making the points and just re-scrutinizing your idea into a better one. So you have to put it in such a way that your idea must be better than that. So it is a great opportunity to me, because I have been given another opportunity to be interact with you kind of students, and also to see what are the ideas you are going to come up. As said in the inaugural speech, around 100 plus ideas has been presented, of which 40 has been selected. So it is a great number. So if from these 14 numbers, at least 50%, 20 ideas are converted into a product, it will be a greater one. So as Swag Balas, CEO of EDII Anna Business Incubation Center, said that, so we are ready to incubate that idea with various kinds of voucher programs. So I think these ideas can be converted into an product or some other thing. So my best wishes on this thing, and I hope for your I think these students you can easily be an entrepreneur at the end of your stage. I think most of you have from the initial stage of your engineering or some other thing. So within the end of the course, you can come with some product related things also. So my best wishes from my side, and also for my best wishes for the PCI team, for always aspiring the students, or always putting the students onto the field of innovation, because most of the platforms are not doing right now, but our PCI team is doing it in a right way. So congratulations for the team also for that work. So thank you, and I wish you all a successful and enlightening symposium. Thank you.
Thank you, Balavaskar sir, for your kind gesture to the students about the various initiatives taken by Webroid team and other supports you are rendering for them. So, dear students, as we said that through Swig Bala sir and Mr. Balavaskar, that we are here to support you, but it is an online platform. We know it's a Sunday morning, and apart from all the odds you have joined today, that itself shows that you are a winner in your path which you are choosing, and you have to constantly do this effort. The thing is that it is not a regular class event or regular program where the entire minutes duration of the class will be useful to you about the concepts which we thought. any thing, maybe any speech or any content which the speakers tells you, or any what to say, co-participants sharing any content which will be useful for you in the future also. So utilize all the minute during this kind of a program, and you can reach us if you are in the product development stage in the future also, if you miss in this contest also. And for that, we are always open to you. You can always contact the team for the support. Thank you, Balabhaskar sir, for your kind words. Thank you. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Shekhar, the co-founder of PCI, and who is taking care of the digital initiatives, to share about the various initiatives of PCI. Whether he is on the line, I think he has missed out. So I will explain about the various initiatives. Dear students, apart from the idea presentations and other education events, you would have already know that we are conducting various internships with the various industry partners. Now we have planned to conduct one unique internship for innovation and entrepreneurship with the Anomaly Business Incubator, which is about a 30-day span. It will be an integrated model of internship with a hackathon. We are planning in a 30-day span. With the sessions will be in online, and the final day you will be pitching your idea in Anomaly Business Incubator. We have got the permission from them, and we will be rollouting the program in the near future. And you can participate as an individual, as a team, with your team members, where the learnings of how to develop your idea to innovation will be guided through the various mentors, which will be done through us. And apart from this, in the technological area, we are having one internship, which is today's the last day to register with the EDII Labs for embedded system, and followed by that Java development with the Skills64, and followed by we are planning with cyber security with the Superaja, and PCB with Enthu Technologies, and one more in the bioscience with Bversity. So these are some of the programs which will be rollouting in the future, and we are also planning one program exclusively for the skill development area in the class of champions, where students with various other skills apart from the innovations also can participate in that. So these are some of the initiatives taken by PCI. So you are always open to support to you, so you can reach us for any other support. Thank you all for joining. I will stop the recording, and I will explain about the guidelines for this program, because